Hello guys, and welcome back to Computing Empire channel. Have you ever got tired searching or typing manually on the search bar to find a file within a folder that contains massive number of files? I would say definitely yes. Well, here is an example or a method for you that would assist you to find any file or folder within a second. The method is very simple. All you need to do, guys, is open the folder that contains many files. As you can see, this is just an example to demonstrate the software that Windows 10 have in order to search for a file using the voice recognition or the voice search. So all you need to do, guys, is press on the Windows key plus the H key on the keyboard. Friendly program is being displayed over here and is waiting me to say the file name. This voice or this program has the ability which will take the file name from you and drag out the result within a millisecond. So let's test it out by ending the program and reopen it again and say the file name. Computing Empire. As you can see, guys, it found the folder very quickly for me, so it makes life much easier and is very handy to use. I recommend it for you when you're dealing with a very huge heavy folder that contains many files and you are looking for a specific file. Yes guys, it's that simple. Imagine being in the middle of a project or working on a task and you had to deal or work on another task on a separate window at the same time. This will create a mess of various windows that will be displayed over your screen. To sort that, we need a clean desktop. Well, all we need to do is pressing the Windows key plus the Ctrl plus the D letter on the keyboard, and as you can see, guys, it's gonna be switched to a new clean desktop instantly, which is a virtual desktop which will create an environment for you to work on a different task at the same time without to interact or destroy your project tasks which are already running on the original desktop. Now what about the previous desktop and the complicated project you were working on? It has been deleted? All the effort has gone? Oh no, it just vanished for now. To get it back, we need to navigate from our current desktop, which is a virtual desktop, into our old desktop. So to return to our previous desktop, which contains our project, all we need to do, guys, is press the Ctrl plus the Windows key plus the left arrow key. As you can see, this is our complicated project we're working on, and in order to go back to our virtual desktop, all you need to do is the same process, but instead of the left key you have to press the right arrow key. As you can see, it's being swept back to where we were, and we could deal with this different kind of task over here without to interact or destroy what we were working here over here. Now we have created another virtual desktop. We have two desktops. However, we have finished our second task, and all I want now is to deal with just one desktop, so I won't make my RAM heavy or my processor deal with the multiple stuff at the same time. So all you need to do now in order to destroy the virtual desktop which you want to get rid of is navigate to it by pressing again on the Ctrl Windows right to go back to it, and then press or Ctrl Windows key and F4 in order to destroy it. What if there are several apps running on the taskbar and you seek to shift through them instead of using the mouse cursor as less professional users does? Well, there is a very handy method which will speed up your working process and reduce your effort by using the following combination, which are the Windows key followed by some numbers. So how can we deal with all these combinations? Let's check it out. So you have all the programs and applications are open over here. You have to check and count them from the left and to right, which is, and allocate some numbers to them Usually the first application on your left side is number 1, number 2 is the second, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to 9. So how this work? You have to press on the Windows key plus this, for example number 2 in order to open the folder. So I'm gonna press on the Windows key plus 2, folder opens. To navigate to the Chrome, I have to press Windows key plus 1. Also to the Word document, which is number 4, number 4. So let's go back to the Google Chrome by pressing on the Windows key plus 1. So guys, please bear in mind when I'm talking about numbers, I mean the numbers which are placed over your keyboard. All you need to do is press on the Windows key plus the number which is allocated based on your folder or file numbered here. So for instance, as I said, folder, in my case here is number 2, so it's Windows plus 2. Back to olden days, users tend to use the print screen key, which is placed on the keyboard to capture an instant image of the entire desktop, where the screenshot is going to be saved inside the system clipboard waiting us to deal with it. As before, we had very annoying options to deal with those screenshots, where we had to open the print or Word document programs where they had a tool called paste, which you click on the button and then the image is being pasted on your document or the modifying area when you need to then use some Word document tools in order to crop it, then deal with it. Where all that wasn't appropriate actually, as we all want a screenshot of the desktop in a PNG format. So all we need to do guys to capture this image in a PNG format to press the Windows key plus the print screen key on the keyboard. As you can see on the video, the image has been taken. However, where is our images being located? The picture is located inside our pictures folder, inside the folder called screenshots. So let's check the picture file format by going to the properties. As you can see guys, it's PNG already and it's ready for us to use. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the tiny notification bell to get the latest computer tricks.